Welcome TechbrothersIT. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create our free trial version of Snowflake account. So go to google.com and then search for Snowflake. And once you search for Snowflake, you're gonna see this link right there. Sign up .snowflake.com free trial. And here you have different options. Here you can see try for 30 days at no cost, get $400 worth of free usage. So you can pick one, whatever works best for you. I'm gonna go with the 400 worth, and this is gonna be for 30 days as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and provide my name, and then provide my first name, last name, and then my work email, and then it is asking me why you want to sign up. I'm going to go ahead and consider companies considering Snowflake or training or certification for my job. Let's say training, and in this case, and now it is asking me, hey, you provide your company name. If whatever the name you want to provide is okay. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and say TechbrothersIT, and it has taken that. Even I will say 1, 2, 3, so it will take. So whatever you will provide, that's fine. And here I am a data engineer, so that's also fine. And now on which cloud provider you would like to create that one. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and choose Azure, Microsoft Azure. You have Amazon Web Services and GCP as well. Snowflake runs on top of the cloud platforms you are already using, working with. So we are going to select this, and if you will select web services, then it is choosing different regions according to the AWS, and if you will select the GCP, then it is showing different regions where it is available in GCP. So if you go to the Microsoft Azure, and here you can see there are many places that we can choose. So I have East US, that's closest to me, and that's fine with me. So I'm gonna just keep that as default when I just picked. Now you can say, okay, I have read and agreed the terms, and now get started. Now it is asking you, hey, you are almost done. We are working on setting up your account. Help us better serve you with answering these questions. Okay, select your preferred languages to work with them. Yes, SQL, Python, and maybe Scala, that's fine. So you can select all if you like, or you will say, hey, I don't have a coding experience, so just ignore it and skip. Hit continue, and here then what will you use Snowflake for? So list you have a list or buy data from the Snowflake marketplace. You have different options. So I'm gonna just say, hey, maybe I will load data, build a data pipeline, or migrate an existing data warehouse. So I will submit that, and now it is saying, hey, an email is sent to my account, and then I need to activate that one. So I'm going to go ahead and open my email. So here we have an email and say activate your Snowflake account. I'm going to click right there, and now you can see that click to activate. And as it says that this activation link is going to expire in 72 hours if you don't want to start your trial. And you can save this for later. You can, once activate your account, you can access by using this link. So I can just copy and paste and save it or bookmark it. So let's click on activate, and here it is saying, hey, guess what, you can go ahead and create your username and password. So I'm going to go ahead and say maybe I will just use my email. Okay, so I say user cannot contain, so I'm going to say Tech Brothers user. Okay, so that's our username, and we will be using for our training. Okay, here we have provided the username Tech Brothers user, and now we are going to use some strong password. So I'm going to use some strong password here. Use a strong password, and then once we provide the password, we are all good here. Now let's click on get started, and we should be all good here, and then we can start working on our next demos. And now it says that welcome to Snowflake. How do you want to start? Explore a sample data set or load data into Snowflake. I'm going to go ahead and skip for now. I'm not going to do anything for now, and just showed you how to set up this trial. And you can see right here, and this is my measures are the account right here, and you can see that this is our account, and you can see I have multiple accounts because I was using different demos and all that. So here you see that this is the one we are using, a tech browser user. That's what we will be using. I have some other account Azure than the different ones. So at the same time, with the same email, you can actually create multiple trial versions or trial accounts. So we'll be using this, and now we will, in the next video, I'm going to start exploring these different tabs, and we will start working on it. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.